Let's learn how to convert units using conversion factors. In this example, we'll convert 180 miles per hour to kilometers per hour. The key to solving unit conversion problems is to use conversion factors. We know that 1 mile equals 1.60934 kilometers. Let's set up our conversion using proportions. We'll start with 180 miles per hour and multiply it by our conversion factor written as a fraction. We write the conversion factor as 1.60934 kilometers over 1 mile. This way, the units of miles will cancel out. Now, let's look at what we have. To solve this, we'll multiply 180 by 1.60934. Let's solve this step by step. 180 times 1.60934 equals 289.68. Therefore, 180 miles per hour equals 289.68 kilometers per hour. Let's verify that our answer makes sense. Since 1 mile is about 1.6 kilometers, 180 miles should be about 1.6 times 180, which is close to 290. So our answer of 289.68 kilometers per hour is reasonable. Remember, when converting units, first write down your conversion factor. Then set up your proportions so that units cancel. Finally, multiply the numbers and don't forget to include your units in the final answer.